Hello friends, are you a beginner and want to speak English but you are confused that what should I do? Should I learn grammar first or just start speaking? Should I watch English movie or read newspaper etc etc. There are many questions in your mind. I know it. But don't worry, here is your brother Amit to clear your all doubt and queries. So let's start the video. First stage, zero level stage. This stage for all those my friends who don't know anything in English. But if you are watching this video, it means that you know something or the other and maybe you are good in English. So let's understand this stage properly. First you need to learn some grammar portion. Yes, you heard it right. First learn some grammar portion. I'm not saying that you need to learn entire part of grammar, but you need to learn little bit so that you know about where use is, rm, was, were and shall be. I suggest you all to learn article and tense first because this is necessary for start your English journey. Later, you will learn other part of grammar like modals, narration and voice. Let's move on next stage. Stage number 2, writing practice. Yes, my friend, writing practice is very important part of our speaking curriculum. If I tell you that you write a story daily, then there is a problem of majority people, that is when I start writing a story, the story doesn't even come to my mind. Don't worry, I suggest you all to just write down your daily activity. Whatever you do whole day and whatever you have done whole day, just write down in your diary all those activities. If you are unable to write all those activities directly into the English, then you can write all those activities in Hindi, after that translate into English, and if you do like this, really it work effectively. Stage third is relating to reading and speaking practice. Yes, my friend, reading and speaking practice will help you a lot to improve your English. So, read a story daily, loudly. After that, try to explain about that story in your own way. Because when you explain about that story, you will have to speak. And when you speak something on daily basis, you will see the changes in yourself. But you feel awkward to explain about a story, then you can explain about your daily activities. As I told you, whatever you have written down in your diary, just read that activity once, and after that try to explain about all those activity. At the end, I requested to all just keep doing practice. Thank you. Thank you so much.